Established in 1999, Mission Auto Care is an automotive repair shop that provides consistently excellent auto services to the community of Oceanside. They pride themselves in using top-of-the-line equipment and hire only the most skilled personnel. Mission Auto Care firmly believes in educating their customer while providing superior customer service.
My name is Justin Bowser. I am the Master Technician here at Mission Auto Care. The responsibilities of the Master Tech is that we will spend a lot of time coordinating with front office, seeing what's going on, helping the other technicians, teaching other technicians. We perform more of the more difficult repairs on the vehicles. I like to be the jokester of the shop, try to keep things lighthearted. As a Master Technician, I kind of set the tone out there for the other guys. So my personal background education, I started actually tinkering on cars. I grew up with a family of 6 kids, and I was always inquisitive about things like that. So I started in high school doing auto shop. After I got out of high school, I went to trade school. But while I was in trade school, I was also working as a technician beginning level. To the position of Master Tech, you can sit there and you go through the schooling, and then you go and get all your ASCs, which would make you a Master Tech. You don't need a 4-year degree. You don't even need a degree. They do have certifications for you to become a mechanic/technician, and that's your base entry level point.
APAC ATI is an immersion style of training where we're training our technicians in the classroom and in an existing repair shop, so you're getting real-world experience. We've been training technicians for over 9 years, and we have made APAC ATI the best of all that training. We've taken everything that we've learned through those 9 years, and we've made it and condensed it to where we can train you within 10 months and put you into a job at a high-quality shop, earning money on your first day of employment.
The most important skills for this job aspect is knowledge. Knowledge is your best friend. On top of that, you need to have an inquisitive mindset to be proficient, not just efficient, but pro-efficient. As a Master Technician, we value being honest and humble about things, so we do make mistakes and we want to cop up to it instead of just trying to pass it on. This is important for leadership roles. So some of the most challenging parts of this job are the DIYers. Sometimes they do it themselves, but they do it incorrectly, and then we have to go and fix it. Intermittent issues is another big one. So, we get these cars that come in, customer's got a complaint, you go drive it, and it's the same thing you hear from the customer. Oh, it always happens when I have it, but when I take it to the shop, and you do your best to try to recreate it, even have them do drive-alongs. And sometimes getting the information from customers is really difficult because sometimes they just don't know how to describe what they are experiencing. One of the things that makes me passionate and keeps me fueled for coming here is making somebody's day. I had a customer, she came in, I have an AC problem, it's whistling. I pick her up, I'm like, well, I think I found your problem. And she's like, all right, was it the AC? I'm like, no, let's just go for a ride real quick, I'll show you. I said, roll up that window the rest of the way. Rolled up the rest of the way, and we just started cracking up and laughing, coming all the way back. It was things like that that, make me feel good, and that keeps me positive about coming back and doing my job over and over.